Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Intan Octaviani. I'm from TBIC. I want to tell about communicative language teaching. For communication skills, thinking, speaking, listening, and nonverbal. And what is GLT? Communicative language teaching, or GLT, is an approach to the teaching of second and third languages that emphasizes interaction as both the means and the ultimate goal of learning language. It is also referred to as communicative approach to the teaching foreign languages, or simply the communicative approach. Communicative language teaching, or GLT, or the communicative approach, is an approach to the language teaching that emphasizes interaction as both the main and the ultimate goal of study. Language learner in environment utilizing CTL technique learn and practice the target language through interaction with one another and the instructor. Study of authentic text. Writing in the target language for purpose other than language learning, and use of the language in the class combined with use the language outside of the class. The term communicative language teaching means different things to the different teachers. To some teachers, it simply means a greater emphasis on the use of the target language in the classroom, and in particular, a greater emphasis on orality. To the other teacher, communication entails the exchange of unknown information between interlocutors. And finally, some teachers understand communication in the most global, anthropological terms, that is, as a cultural bound system for making meaning. Despite their various definition of GLT, all the module instructors seem to advocate for a communicative approach. There are 10 principles of the communicative approach. For the first is language learning is learning to communicate it using the target language. 2. The language used to communicate must be appropriate to the station, the role of the speaker, the setting, and the register. The learner needs to differentiate between a formal and informal style. 3. Communicative activities are essential. Activities should be present in a situation or context and have a communicative purpose. Typical activities of the approach are games, problem-solving tasks, and a role play. There should be information game, choice, and feedback involved in the activities. 4. Learner must have a constant interaction with and exposure to the target language. Development 5. Development of 4 macro skills: speaking, listening, reading, and writing is integrated for the beginning science communication integrated for different skills. 6. The topics are selected and graded regarding age, needs, level, and student interest. 7. Motivation is central. Teachers should raise student interest for the beginning of the lesson. Age. The role of the teacher is that a guide, a facilitator, or an instructor. 9. Trial and error is considered part of the learning process. And the last is evaluation concerns not only the learner's accuracy but also their fluency. Characteristic is 1. Learning to communicate through interaction. 2. The introduction of authentic text into the learning situation. 3. Learners focus on language and learning process itself. 4. An enhancement of the learning on personal experience. 5. Linking classroom language learning with language activity. The communicative approach in concert with the unique individual need of each learner. By making the language relevant to the world rather than in the classroom, learners acquire the desired skill rapidly and agreeable. GLT it is the most effective way to teach second and foreign language. However, audio-lingual methodology is still prevalent in many textbooks and teaching material. How to use the method? The most common educational model applied in the context of the communicative method is the functional national approach, with emphasis the organization of the syllabus. This breaks down the use of language into 5 functional categories that can be more easily analyzed: personal, feeling, or etc. Interpersonal, social, and working relationship. Directive, influencing others. Referential, reporting about things, even people or language itself. And imaginative, creativity, and artistic expression. These 5 both function and then delivered by the teacher in the classroom using the 3PS teaching model, which stand for presentation, practice, and production. Main feature and techniques. Meaning is a paramount. Dialogue if used enter around communicative function and are not normally memorized. Contextualization is a basic premise. Language learning is learning to communicate, and effective communication is how. Drilling may occur but very rarely. Comprehensible pronunciation is a sound. Translation may be used where students need or benefit from it. Reading and writing can start from the first day. Communicative competence is the desired goal. Teachers help learners in any way that motivated them to work with the language. Students are expected to interact with other people, either in the class, through pair and group work, or in their writing. The role of the teacher. The role of the teacher is to be a facilitator of his student learning. He suggests that language teachers need to assist the learner by providing them with framework, pattern, and rules that develop their communicative language skill. The demerit. Teacher must be a very knowledgeable person. Student and teacher must understand each other. Inadequate use of all technical material can damage the course. Theoretical knowledge of teachers need to be very good in practice. The monitoring ability of the teacher must be very good. Grammar teaching practice make application of the approach difficult. GLT approach focus on fluency but not accuracy. The weaker learner who struggle and cannot use the target language continue to make mistakes and eventually give up. During pair and group work activities, teachers focus on accuracy through error correction because learners need to understand their mistake. The GLT approach is great for intermediate and advanced learners, but for beginners, some controlled practice is needed. The adoption of communicative approach raises important issues for teacher trainer, material development, testing, evaluation. So it is not suitable for every teacher and every class. Thanks for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.